Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to European Enterprise Promotion Awards 2014. I'm pleased to welcome you to my wonderful city, known for our food and passion that, as you know, come from Vulcano. I'm excited and honored to present this event, and please forgive me for my English, I'm sure I will do some mistake. The European Enterprise Promotion Awards is a valuable opportunity for us where the union between different culture and reality is lifeblood for our mind. Since the first edition of 2006, nearly 3,000 projects have participated in national competition for a chance to compete in the European Enterprise Promotion Awards. 42 projects have already won awards and been promoted across Europe, and together, these projects have created in excess 10,000 companies with a significantly positive impact on the European economy. Napoli is a very special city with very different energy, with a long story. And now we are ready for the first category, promoting the entrepreneurial spirit.
And the winner is Mobile Apps Laboratories from Lithuania.
Okay, thank you. It's an honor to be the first and opening this, the winners ceremony.
So, for the second category, investing in entrepreneurial skills,
the winner is Brandico.
Thank you to my colleagues who did this project with me.
For the category, improving the business environment.
And so the winner is Spain Startup in 3.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Buonasera. It was kind of a surprise for me.
And now we are ready for the third category, supporting the internationalization of business.
The winner is il vincitore Mirabilia, Italy.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank the European Commission.
And now for the fifth category, the development of green market and resource efficiency.
And the winner is AMS Thinking Ahead, Portugal.
First of all, thank you so much for this award. It is a real pleasure.
And now for the last category, responsible, all-inclusive entrepreneurship.
Winner ist Wiesbaden Engaged Germany.
A little bit like winning an Oscar. But jury want to award 3 projects with a special mention.
Therefore, can I please ask a representative from Sources of Strength to come on stage? Our next special mention, will the representative from Do It, Ideas of Portuguese origin, please join us on stage. A third special mention, can a representative from primary to professional come and receive the certificate, please?
So, now we are ready for the Grand Jury Prize.
And the winner of the Grand Jury Prize is Encouraging Business Startups by Mothers with Young Children, Hungary.
It's a very big moment to be here.
So it's amazing to look at the happiness in the eyes of the people. Thanks to all the winners and shortlisted project, and thanks to everyone for their support and participation for these 2014 awards.
Well, I just have to say that it has been a very inspirational evening, and I think these are, everybody is a winner, whoever has taken part. And finally, I also have to congratulate all the national winners who participated in the national competitions, as especially this evening's winners, runner-ups, and special mentions.